Hello, family and friends. This is Dorcas. Dorcas rocks you with your motivation. I am here today because I woke up with a song in my spirit and in my heart. And I know there are a lot of people that are hurting or they're going through some things right now, and they may not understand why they're going through it. But just know, he never puts on you more than you can bear. He never puts on you more than you can bear. So, I hope this song blesses you like it's blessed me today. This morning it's been on my heart. Don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Rose up this morning, smile with the rising sun. 3 little birds, each on my doorstep, singing sweet songs, a melody's pure and true, saying, this is my message to you. Don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Saying don't worry about a thing, because every little thing is gonna be alright. Don't worry y'all, about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. I want you to have a great day, great morning, great evening, whatever time zone you are in. I love you, and thank you so much. Have a great day.